Drive with our Hyundai Venue, which is India's first fully connected SUV at this very special venue, which is a Statue of Unity.
It is heartening to know that Hyundai is launching its third edition of Great India Drive from the venue that is very world acclaimed, and we are very happy to have them here. We wish that the Great India Drive will be a great success.
Hyundai.